Hey, I'm Ben from Baratza, and I'm here to show you how easy it is to dial in your Encore ESP Pro to make smooth, refreshing cold brew, just in time for warmer days. Cold brew has become a go-to for coffee lovers looking for low-acid, mellow coffee, and it's surprisingly simple to make at home. The Encore ESP Pro makes it even easier with precise grind control and auto-stop single dosing. You'll need something to brew your cold brew in. I'm using a Hario brewer, a scale, filtered water, and your Encore ESP Pro. We're using a brew ratio of about 1 part coffee to 11 parts water. Specifically, 75 grams of coffee and 800 grams of water to make our concentrate. We'll dilute it before adding ice and drinking. I'm using auto stop mode with my pre-weighed amount of coffee. You can use between 65 to 75 grams of coffee, just adjust to your taste. Set your grind to setting 56. That's in the cold brew range, coarser than drip, but a touch finer than French press. You're aiming for a texture like raw sugar or sea salt. With my grind setting dialed in, I'll press the button and let auto stop handle the rest. Super simple. While my beans are grinding, I'll prep the immersion basket for the grounds. Now I'll pour the grounds into the immersion basket. Add half the water and swirl gently to saturate all the grounds. Then pour in the rest of the water. Now we let it sit. Leave it on the counter for 12 to 14 hours or in the fridge for up to 16. The longer steep helps with deeper extraction, especially in colder temps. After a good night's sleep, time to dilute our concentrate. To serve, just dilute it 1-to-1 with water or milk, pour over ice, and you're good to go. Rich, chocolatey, super smooth. Just what I was looking for. Need to tweak the flavor? Too weak? Try grinding finer, or increase your coffee to 70 to 75 grams. Too strong? Dilute a bit more before serving. Cold brew is one of the most forgiving brew methods. It's all about what you like. Play around with grind size, steep time, or water to coffee ratio until you land on just what you want for your recipe. Got questions? Hit up our team at baratza.com/support and follow us for more brew guides and coffee tips. Baratza, well grounded for over 25 years.